In Kansas, our focal areas in our ecoregions are very unique. We have one in the Gypsum Hills, we have one in the Flint Hills, and we have one in the lower Smoky Hills. Those regions were picked specifically because of the intactness of the prairie that exists, as well as the will of the rancher to adopt conservation. With that, then the opportunity for connectivity with other natural resource needs got to be really important for us. And so those three unique regions, again, come with a different culture of the ranching community, again, to grow beef, if you will, but also manage the prairie.
In Chase County, we have a lot of intact grasslands, and that's because of the efforts of the landowners. Burning is a huge culture here. It has been for a very long time, and that has allowed those producers to maintain a tree-free landscape.
For our environment, we're trying to raise genetics that fit well but can go out and produce in other environments. And we feel like there's some parts of this environment that are really tough. And so if cattle can come in here, do well, they will be able to go out and perform for people. We need to be able to utilize our grasslands to their fullest potential while also preserving them for future generations.
Trees have definitely become more of a problem, and not only us but other landowners are starting to notice. We're noticing that we're cutting more and more trees every year, and we feel like we're losing. We feel like we don't have anything to show for it. And that's one thing that the GPGI has done, is the GPGI has given us a way to make strategic wins so that we can actually see progress and know that we are making headway on the landscape.